This video will focus on how to use the course catalog to search for classes. Once you open the catalog, notice you are on the Advanced Search tab. This is where you are able to search quickly for courses in the current term and any upcoming terms that may be listed. There are two additional ways to search. Using the Search for Courses bar at the top, where you can enter a keyword that will pull courses with the keyword in the course name and description, or using the Subject Search tab to search all course offerings for a particular subject. For the purposes of this video, we will use the Advanced Search tab. There are two options for viewing your results. The catalog listing views the main course title and description with a drop-down area to view all available sections. Notice in this view, the Add Section to Cart button is directly across from the corresponding section. The section listing views all information across the screen for each course section. We will be using the default setting for section listing in this video, but the process for each is the same. Choose the term, course, and possibly a course number if searching for a specific class. You may also include any additional filters listed. Once you're ready, click Search. All course section details will be listed across the screen. On the left side, you will notice additional filter results that are available if you wish to further detail into your result list. You can hide the filter to see more course information and add filters back by clicking Show Filters. Once you have the course and section desired, click Add to add this section to the cart. After you click Add, details for the class will pop up. It will also show if there are any requisites for the class, additional fees, seats available, and credits. Click Add Section. A green bar will appear at the top right of your screen that states the class has been added to your schedule. It will also alert you if you have already added this section, so there are no duplications. This process will add the course section to your planned courses. This will not register you for the class. If you would like to add additional courses to your cart, return to the catalog homepage by clicking Back to Course Catalog. Once you are ready to register, use the left navigation to click on Academics, Register for Classes. View the Register for Classes video for a walkthrough on how to complete the registration process. For more information, visit the self-service Q&A for students located under Blackboard Courses in your MySeaState account.